ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good evening and welcome to this amazing gathering right here. It is the Pirelli ZAFCO get together of 2019.
All of you, that whatever ZAFCO and Pirelli is today in Abu Dhabi and Alain is because of the efforts you all have put in together with Pirelli and ZAFCO team in this marketplace.
How about a 50% discount for the second place winner on your next purchase of Pirelli tires?